You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this expression that is very common in the US in particular, but it's been adopted in the UK. If you want to learn more confusing expressions like this, stay tuned. It's short for you all. You all. So how do you pronounce it? Y'all. American English pronunciation. Y'all. How to pronounce? Let's see an example. Hello, y'all. Hi, y'all. G'day, y'all. How are you, y'all? Y'all is how you pronounce it. Y'all. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.